From a driver that crashed his car after trying to avoid hitting a ghost, and another driver that tried crossing 3 lanes because he didn't want to miss the exit, to a hydroplaning truck going all over the place, and a crazy aftermath of a huge accident, here are some dashcam moments you have to see to believe. This is why you shouldn't drive so close to the car ahead of you.
Well, my point was that it was a spontaneous demonstration when we now know it was a terrorist attack, and they advanced it through the...
This driver thought both lanes were his to drive. Stop sign means really stop.
He fucking shut it off. I was like, oh. You stupid son of a...
If you were going to miss your exit, would you do this? This crash is straight out of an action movie.
Then there are avenues for others to pursue. But we as a regulator will be focusing our attention.
Wow. Holy shit. Thanks, man.
This crash probably wasn't anything personal, but it sure felt like it was. Double check your mirrors before merging lanes. Even better, triple check. Here's why you shouldn't speed on a rainy day. Good thing there's an ambulance right there. I'm just glad nobody seems to be injured after this accident. Always look both ways before you cross the road. This one is subtle, but let's see if you get what's wrong here. The turn signal is supposed to be turned on before you merge lanes.
Дебил! Ни хрена себе.
Поешь вкусно. Не будешь? Почему? Чего делать надо?
Ну куда ты едешь? Езжай. У тебя поворотник, блядь. Дебил тупой.
This is the aftermath of the accident, but what the heck happened here?
Но немножко разные ритуалы у команд. Если Спартак собирается около центрального круга, то Брага прямо около скамейки тренерской. Именно там происходит этот ритуал. Круг из футболистов. Да, но сегодня тут действительно важно понять, какую оборону круговую.
И от этого Радин такой, пчелы такие маленькие, они хотят просто избавиться от них, а не потому что кусаются. Это конечно, кусаются сильно, но зато они делают большую пользу. И значит...
This is all we have for you today. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.